Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How you guys doing? And today is going to be a quick one. We have a very juicy setup for today. But before then, this channel is solely dedicated for education and for trade signal. If that's what you are looking for and this is your first time of being on this channel, please kindly support the channel by hitting that subscribe button and turn off the bell notification button so that you could be notified whenever a trade signal or alert of this form is going to drop. That notwithstanding, right before the end of this video, a very important message is coming. Please watch to the end in order not to miss what is actually all about. But before then, let's head to the chart straight and see what the chart is saying. All right. So today is all about the VIX 50 index. What is VIX 50 index and what is the next phase? It's all about this massive trend to the downside. We predicted that it's going to turn back at some point here. The market rally up back to this place and it continued the downward movement. Sometimes the market they behave in a nasty way sometimes. But that notwithstanding, what is the market saying? I told you, if you're starting of the analysis, always learn to start from the higher time frame. And in this channel, our higher time frame is the 24-hourly time frame or the daily time frame, the 8-hourly time frame, and the 4-hourly time frame, whichever of preference is suitable for your trading style. Right? So basically, I usually start my analysis from the daily time frame, and you can see I can easily plot my trend line to the downside. That's what I need. Right? And after determining that one, we want to know the current breakout structure, the current value breakout structure. And one of it is we'll have a value breakout structure right about this particular level, right? And we have another one exactly at this particular level. Come on. Right? Exactly about this particular level here. So the market has actually pulled back significantly, and we want to look for what? A short. So we want to sell VIX 50 index. After you're done with 24-hourly time frame, you head up to the 8-hourly. We're going to progressively walk down the line, and you can see the daily time frame is telling us to sell. The 8-hourly time frame is telling us the same thing. But something is very, very important at this particular level because we just have an invalidation of the 8-hourly time frame. What do we do in this case, right? We are all looking for a sell. I actually want to incorporate my trading style. Then you must have enough patience to wait for market to decide your next movement, just like what you are having here. Look at this internal realignment here. You know that right about this particular place. I think we gave a signal in the group that the market is going to shoot down from here, and it does the same thing. So we are having that same scenario, but something is very tricky here, right? Something is very tricky here. The daily time frame is telling us to sell. The 8-hourly time frame, we are noticing an invalidation of the trend line. Let's head to the 4-hourly time frame to see what the market is actually saying. Down to the 4-hourly time frame, and we still notice the same thing. Invalidation of what? The trend line. You see that this 8-hourly trend line align perfectly well with the 4-hourly time frame. So we will not do anything for now. Rather, we want to see when this opposing trend line gets actually invalidated on the lower time frame. And always know that this particular opposite trend line is in red. That is your action line. But you know right before yourself that the market is going to bleed down, right? But before that time, you pay attention on the 50-minute time frame. Let's head over to the 50-minute what the market is actually saying. Now, this is where the story becomes so much interesting. You read into the structure of the market to know the value change of character because that's your number one aim here, right? The market realigned to the upside right about this particular level here. This is where we have a change of what? Character. So we'll tag this particular, come on, a change of what? Character, right? This chart here. Then since that time, this market has been creating series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, right? You can see that the market is still much uptrending on this particular time frame. The last low we have is exactly at this particular level. So this is my trick here. After I've walked myself down from the higher time frame down to this 15-minute time frame, I wait patiently for the change of character from the market trending up to now trending down. So what I'm basically looking out for is this. If I can have the market trade back down to this particular level and break this low, give me an extension a little bit, I'll be waiting for what? Some sort of imbalance exactly at this particular level to shut the market down to this particular level. All right. That is all my take on this VIX 50 index. All what I'm waiting for on the 15-minute time frame is an invalidation of what? The trend. So I want to have another change of character to the downside, and I'll be much confident to take that trade. But for now, we are having the market breaking above this major trend line on the 8-hourly time frame. That will keep our hand crossed for now. But that is the whole aim. I'm watching this market patiently, and I look forward to short this VIX 50 index. Now, here comes in just a quick note. In our first video, I promise that I'm going to create a Telegram channel solely designed for this YouTube, for this my family on YouTube, and I want to assist you by not just teaching you my style of trading, but giving you my trade signal, just the way I'm entering and exiting the market. So the link to the Telegram channel will be in the description. Please, I'll start dropping the signal immediately we hit like 100 followers, 50 to 100 followers, and we'll kickstart it from there. Please support the channel by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss the juicy setup that will be coming. And until next time, keep practicing, wait patiently for this market to realign, short the market, and drop your screenshot. I will be waiting. I received a lot of screenshots in my last video. I was so impressed, even some of you doing extremely well, and I wait to see yours very soon, right? So to wrap it up, thank you for support, and till next time, peace out.